Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hey, I'm Urmi. Welcome to my channel. So festival of Diwali is here, and in today's video I will show you how I created this glowy yet minimal Diwali makeup look. So if you are ready, then let's begin. So I am wearing this organza sari with an orange top, and these are my festive nails. I have already moisturized my face with this Cetaphil moisturizer. Moving on to makeup, to get that glowy base, you can either use a facial oil or you can use an illuminating primer. Here I am using an illuminating primer. This one is from Swiss Beauty and this works amazing. I'll apply it all over my face with the help of fingers. And look at that glow. Moving on to next step, I'll take my concealer and I'll apply it under my eyes and around my mouth. Using the concealer before foundation will give you maximum coverage, so you will need less foundation. For the foundation, I'll use this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation. And I'll just apply it on the areas where I need it. And then I'll blend it with a brush. After blending, if you want to lessen the coverage, then just take your beauty blender and dab it all over your face. That will soak all the excess product. Now I'll take translucent powder and I'll just set the areas where I've applied concealer. I will not set my entire face, otherwise it will look matte. If you have any acne or pimple on your face, then set that area too, because you don't need that pimple to be highlighted. If you want glowy base, then try to use products which are cream based or liquid based. So for the contour, I'll use this dark shade from Riche Hathaway's concealer palette, and I will contour my cheekbones, jawline, forehead and my nose. After contouring my face, I'll take my beauty blender and I'll dab it on the contoured areas to make it more cohesive. Again, for the blush, you can use either liquid blush or cream blush. I'll use this tint from Just Herbs and I'll apply it right above my contour, and I'll blend it with a brush. And whatever is left on the brush, I'll apply it on my nose and my chin. Now I have done my brows off camera with this Wet n Wild brow powder. If you have a liquid highlighter or a cream highlighter, then use it. I don't have it, so I'll use my powder highlighter to highlight highest points of my face. And to make it look like I'm glowing from within, I will dab it with my fingers, so it sits beautifully on my skin. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'll take this dusty orange shade and I'll apply it on my outer V, and whatever is left on the brush, I'll blend it in my crease. I will apply same shade in my lower lash line. For my lid, I'll use this shimmery shade from the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and I'll apply it with my finger. Now I'll coat my lashes with mascara, and off camera I'll apply falsies. And on my lips I'll apply this beautiful lipstick from PAC Cosmetics. Then I'll add my bindi, my choker and earrings. If you want to know from where I purchased this, I will leave that video in an I button. And this is the final look. Let me know what you think. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, do not forget to hit that like button, comment down below and share this video. Before leaving, take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. I will see you next time. Bye.